I have 5 pounds chicken thighs. Using a pressure cooker, get in the habit of spraying the bottom. And I have 5 pounds of chicken thighs. Skin side down. Normally I take off the skin. Let's get a nice other big fat one. Turn that one like that. And I made a Korean barbecue bulgogi sauce. I tried this CJ Korean barbecue bulgogi marinade. It was a little thin for my taste. Had to thicken it up a little. Alright, wait for it. I went to Dollar Tree and I used a big can of apples, 2 cans of pears, 1 of mandarin orange, some Kiko Man low sodium soy sauce. Now that is a sauce, that's not a marinade. See how thick it is? I threw garlic and shallot in there. This is for me. I threw way too much shallot. I used some oven roasted shallots that I had. If you look at my recipe, and you're not nuts about shallots, this is way too much shallots, but that's how I like it. What we're gonna do is get the marinade everywhere. I had an 8-quart. I ended up giving it to somebody I know. $50. What a deal, right? I tried to see if I could get a replacement insert for this. I didn't see them. We like this one because it has a titanium nitride coating. Alright, wait for it. 3-minute meal. Pop it in. Lock it. Make sure it's sealed. Hit pressure cook. And we're going to leave it at 40. Hit start. We're good to go. Oh yeah. If you notice, all the soy sauce went to the bottom. All you gotta do is shake it up, stir it. Doesn't really matter. Not bad. Korean barbecue.